Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. How are you today? I hope all of you in a good health. Today we're gonna learn new things. It is about number patterns. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to first identify number patterns of the given number series in ascending and descending order in ones up to tens, hundreds and thousands. Second, you will be able to complete various number patterns of a given number series in ascending and descending order in ones up to tens, hundreds and thousands. Now, let's say we have a few number cards here. All of these number cards have been arranged in some orders. So, can you recognize these number cards already arranged in ascending order or descending order? Yes, as you can see, this number cards is arranged in ascending order. Why? Because the number is going up from small to big. Next, we need to recognize and we need to figure out how many steps each number move. How many steps does the number takes to going up? So here, the first number is 1200. From 200, it moved to 205. So we know this number is going up. That means it's plus. Plus how many numbers? So from 200 to 205, of course, it is add by 5 because 0 plus 5 is 5. Next one, from 1205, it moved to 1210. So from 5 become tens. Of course, again here we plus with 5. Next one, from the third number to the fourth number, from 1210 it moved to 1215. Again here 10 plus 5 equals to 15, and then plus with another 5. 1215 plus 5 become 1220. So we know this number cards is going up by 5 steps. So the number patterns for this number sequence is increasing, in 5. Why it is increasing? Increasing is mean by the number is going up. But you need to state it's going up is increasing in how many steps. So that's why it become increasing in 5. That means it's going up in 5 steps each time. Alright. Next example here, again we have another 5 different card number, but this card is already arranged. It already arranged in what order? We need to find it together. So let's look at the first number. We have 2076, and then from this number it become 2070. From 76 it moved to 70. So you can see that the number is going down. It's moved backwards because 76, 75, 74, 73, 72, 71 and 70. So you're counting backwards. So this number is arranging in descending order. That means this number is arranged from big number to small number. Now you already know the number arrangement. Let's find how many steps each number move. So the first number 2076 become the second number 2070. So 76 to 70, that means you backward 6 steps. So backwards means minus 6. Okay. So next, from the second number 2070, go to the third number which is 2064. Counting backwards again. So we have 70, 69, 68, 67, 66, 65 and 64. Again, it counting backwards. 6 steps. From 2064, it goes to 2058. So here again, it moves backwards, means minus. Minus how many steps? We need to count. From 64 to 58 is equals 6. That means it moves backwards 6 steps. So from the fourth number to the fifth number, 2058, if we minus with 6, it will be 2052 because 8 minus 6 is 2. So from this, we can see that each number is going backwards from big to small, 6 steps. So the number patterns for this numbers arrangement is it decreasing. Decreasing means it's going down. It is a vice versa for increasing. So now this time it is decreasing in how many steps? We already know 6 steps. So we need to spell 6, S-I-X-E-S. For number pattern, I would like to remind you, each time you state the number pattern, you need to spell the number it moves with the S. Like just now, 5, 6. So if you spell 7, S-E-V-E-N-S, so every number with S. And that means it refers to number pattern. Now, let's move to the next example here. As you can see, some number card is missing. So we need to fill in the number pattern here. But we need to recognize first, is it increasing or decreasing? So back to the arrangement, 3720, move to the second number, we don't know what, and then to the third number, which is 3740, become 3750. You can see 40 become 50. That means from small to big. That is going up. So if going up, it is increasing. Good. So increasing in how many steps? That means we need to fill up the missing number first. So we already know it's going up. Of course, the number will getting bigger. How many steps? Look at again, from 40 to 50. You know it moved at the tens place, so only the tens change. So from 4 to 5 is 10. We plus 10. You need to remember, in number pattern, every number will move in the same steps. That means if it's moved by plus 10, so every step will move by plus 10. Okay, it will move in different number of steps. So for this one, we already know for the number patterns, it will increasing in tens. Don't forget the S, and then fill in the missing number. So we have 3720, the first number, plus with 10, it will be 3730. If we plus with 10 again, it will be 3740, plus 10, 3750, and then we plus another 10, will be 3760. As you can see, only the tens place value change. The other is remain same. Now let's look at to the next example here. Again, for this example, we have missing number. So for this one, we need to figure out what is the missing number, and you need to find out the number pattern for this number arrangement. First of all, let's look at to the first number given. It is 5708. Move to the second number, it will become 5608. As you can see, only the hundreds place value, which is 7, become 6. The rest, the place value is remain same. So here, you can see from 700 become 600. That means it's going down. That means from big number to small number in descending order. Again, if it's descending order, this number pattern is decreasing. Alright. So next one, you need to figure out it's decreasing in how many steps. So from 700 to 600, only the 100 place change. So it's minus because decreasing. Minus with 100 step because 700 to 600. So use the same number, move the number backwards. Next, let's fill the missing number. So from 5608, we minus with 100, it will become 5508. Remember, only the hundreds place value will change. And then we minus with 100 again, it will become 5408. And then we minus again with 100, it will become 5308. So this one, we already know this number pattern is decreasing in 100. So you spell 100 and the S. Don't forget it because it shows its number pattern. Before we end this lesson, let's try to answer these questions together. We need to complete the number patterns below. So we have the first question at the top. The first number is missing, but we are given the second number. The third number also missing, but we have the fourth and the fifth number. So let's compare it first to find how many steps the number move. So the fourth number is 5400. and it become to 6,400. As you can see, only the thousand place value, which is 5 to 6. That means this number is moving by 1,000 steps. So is it plus or minus? You see the fourth number, which is 5,000, and the fifth number become 6. So 5 to 6, 8 going up from small to big. That means it's increasing. If it's increasing, that means we plus. So we already know each number will move by plus 1,000. Let's fill in the rest of the number. So here we have the second number, 3,400. If we plus with 1,000, only change the 1,000 place value, which is 3,000. If you plus with 1,000, it will become 4,400. And then let's try to plus with 1,000 again. It will become from 4,000 to 5,000. Good. So the first number we plus with 1,000. What is the number when we plus with 1,000? It will become 3,000. Yes, it is 2,000. 2,400. If we plus with 1,000, it becomes 3,400. Now, can you tell me what is the number pattern for this example? Yes, the number pattern for this example is it is increasing because it's going up, as you can see. Increasing in how many steps? 1,000 steps. So this number patterns is increasing in thousands. Let's move to the second questions. The first number is 8,190. Move to the second number, it becomes 8,181. Look at the 1,000, 8 and 8 remain same. 100 is remain same, which is 1 and 1. However, the tens place value is already changed from 9, it become 8. So read the number 8,190 become 8,181. So you can see that the number is going down because 90 to 81 is counting backwards. How many steps is backwards? We need to count. So we have 90, 89, 88, 87, 86, 85, 84, 83, 82, and 81. Yes, you are backwards 9 steps. That means we minus with 9. Remember, for number patterns, each number will move with same step. So from the second number, we minus with 9 again. 8,181. If we minus 9, it will become 8,172. Minus with 9 again, it will become 8,163. Minus again with 9, it will become 8,154. Now, can you tell me what is the number pattern for these questions? Yes, the number patterns for these questions is decreasing. Decreasing because it's going down. Decreasing in how many steps? Yes, we backward 9 steps each number, so it decreasing in 9s. I hope you already understand this lesson and you can recognize number pattern, either it is increasing or decreasing. I will see you again in the next lesson, and thank you everyone.